Okay, let's check in with next weather chief meteorologist Ivan Cabrera. Perfect day today.
Fantastic.
How much more of this are we getting?
We're going to get a few more,
Nice.
and then we'll get a couple of showers. Buttigieg, they're apparently getting the update from the National Weather Service. We are tracking a storm system. We'll get a little piece of that, I think, by Christmas Day. That'll bring us some rainfall here. Right now, for us, doesn't look all that bad. There I am over the clouds, which have not really amounted to much today. Pretty quiet with a lot of sinking air in the atmosphere. 73 is what we managed for the high temperature today. 78 is the normal, so 5 below that. And the overnight temperature, that was the headline this morning with Lisette there, waking up with temps in the mid-50s and a little bit of a wind. Not technically a wind chill, but certainly made it feel a little brisk. We'll do that again for tomorrow with a couple degrees warmer than this morning. In fact, a few degrees warmer as we start shifting the wind on shore with temperatures right now. Still check it in the upper 60s, both Key West and Marathon. There are the showers north to south. They'll come in northeast to southwest as we head through tomorrow. It will be another cool start. We'll have widespread 50s, some 60s as well, and then we'll lose that and we start warming up, not just during the afternoon, but also the overnight temperatures will be impacted primarily here. Breezy day for tomorrow. We could have wind gusts at 20 to 25. It's going to be a big deal for boating. I'll show you that. And then the high pressure migrates east. We'll get that flow around us. So that'll bring us an east wind from Thursday through Sunday. I think we're looking pretty good. There will be some showers in the forecast, some coastal showers, and then a boundary is going to lift up here, and that's what's going to bring us probably a better chance of rainfall here for Christmas. So rain coverage going up to about 30%. We talked about this yesterday. Just keep that in mind. The bigger storm system is really just going to be to our west. Here's the way it's going to, set up as far as the forecast. There we are on Friday if you're heading out, and we'll be talking more travel forecast. But there is kind of a messy setup for Christmas Eve. There could be some severe weather across the Texas, and then you see the backside of the low there with some snowfall across the Midwest. And then all of that has to move east. But the latest trends for us has been for this batch of rain not to be as heavy, moving in as a few showers. And nothing severe for us, so we're looking good. There's that wind shift tomorrow already bringing in about a 10% chance of some showers. A lot more cloud cover. It's not going to be as beautiful as we had it today, so just keep that in mind. But it's the cloud cover that really doesn't materialize into much in the way of rainfall. There we go through Thursday. Same deal, 10% rain chances, and that is going to be the case through the upcoming weekend. Rip currents high. The wind northeast at 15, 3 to 5 foot waves out there, so no good for swimming and no good for boating. Small craft advisory with rough conditions through Thursday. Same deal for the Keys with very rough near shore. And the winds 20 to 25 knots. There we are for the morning low temperatures, so several degrees warmer, but still a cool start, right, compared to where we should be for this time of year. So we'll get back into some 50s and then quickly warming up through the afternoon. We should manage, like today, the low 70s, but we'll do it with a lot more cloud cover and introducing those coastal showers. Last day of fall tomorrow. Winter begins Thursday, and then we'll head into our holiday weekend with rain chances increasing along with the temperatures. And there you see some breezy conditions for Christmas Eve. Christmas Day itself, yeah, some rainfall in the forecast with highs, though warming up in the upper 70s.